Mixing and matching rugs. This can be very tricky for homeowners and designers alike because, there's different things to consider on a main floor or in open concept living that you have to bear in mind when pairing rugs together. Think about the obviously functionality, how things are going to be used, but you also have to look at scale, proportion, colorways. Do you want it all to be super matchy and look like, oh, we bought these at like a group auction and like, yep, that all worked together? Or do you want it to be a little more spontaneous feeling, even though it can be very calculating? And for myself, I absolutely love when you are walking through a main floor of a house and you are referencing colors from other rooms into other spaces. That's what really unifies a main floor, and it makes it feel like somebody really put this together, and it's thoughtful, it's intentional, but it's also dynamic and interesting. For us, we've actually done a lot of our color selection for our custom colors, keeping in mind some of our stocked rugs and already thinking ahead as to what would pair best. So that way we can have offerings of different pairs that would work really, really well together. Some extremely deliberate, others a little more subtle. But we've got a huge selection, and we would be happy to schedule a consult with you to have you, to show us what you were loving, what you really feel works best with your main goals for your decorating, and then we can offer you some offshoots for other spaces to consider.